Do you want to know how you can change your phone number on Melbet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your phone number on Melbet. Go ahead and open Melbet and log into your account. Then hover around your profile and go to Personal Profile. You can see your phone number over here. Go ahead and click on this Edit or Change Phone Number and go ahead and write down your phone number over here and click Enable. Now you must write this down or click on it on the order. So after you do that, go ahead and select this on your order once again and click Send again. And you can see that you have been linked. Now you can write down the code over here. A code will be sent to your phone. Go ahead and write down the code in this box over here and then click Enable. This way your number will be changed. Now click Close and click on Edit again. Now what you need to do is write down your new phone number. So the first step is to send a code over here. Go ahead and click Send Code and a message will be sent and you must enter the code in this box again. So go ahead and write down the code which is sent to you on your phone by Melbet. After you write down the code, write down your new phone number, and after you write down your new phone number, go ahead and write down your code over here. After you click Send Code, a code will appear on your new number. Go ahead and write down the code and click Save. This way you can change your phone number quite easily. So guys, this is how you change your phone number on Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.